welcome back to my channel. So long time no see. It's been a few weeks since I uploaded and just life has just got a bit crazy, to be honest. Here in Scotland, and the lockdown restrictions after Corona are finally easing up. So I was able to start back work a few weeks ago. So that's been taking up all of my time. It's been amazing being able to do what I love again. So if you don't know, I work in makeup artist in a salon and I also do bridal makeup. And I am a brow and lash artist. So I do lash lifts and brow laminations, henna brows, high brows, that kind of thing. My job is very varied. So as you can imagine, after lockdown everyone really needed their brows sorted. So I've been busy doing that, and then everyone's been loving being pampered, getting their makeup done, getting their lash lifts done and doing little makeup lessons and things. And I've had a few lovely weddings, which has been fabulous. So I've just been focusing on my work at the moment. So thanks to my lovely clients for supporting my business. So that means I can do my weddings, I can do my brow clients, my lash clients, all my makeup clients, and then also have maybe one day a week to film. So this is what I'm thinking going forward. Obviously now that everything's kind of getting back to normal again, my schedule's going to change a lot. So I'm going to set aside one day a week where I film and edit my videos. So let me know what videos you want me to film, because I'm absolutely back and I have some amazing vlogs planned. Definitely let me know any makeup videos you want to see, any nutrition, health, just let me know. And I've honestly really missed doing YouTube so much. It's been on my mind obviously the past few weeks, but it was also my birthday whilst I've been away, so I was celebrating with friends and family for almost a week really. And then I took a few days off at the weekend there. Because obviously work had been so busy, I took a few days off just to relax. So today I thought I would start things back by showing you a nice simple makeup look. Simple but glam, that's kind of my style, as you know. So I've done this nice simple pink and lilac look with a nice glowy but fresh skin. I'm going to show you one of my favourite lipsticks at the moment. And yeah, I've also added some faux freckles, which is a little bit different. And again, it just kind of gives that natural vibe to the makeup, which I absolutely love. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching.
Hey everyone, so I'm starting off with freshly moisturised skin, and next I'm applying the Too Faced Peachy Matte Primer in the centre, around the nose, chin and forehead where I get a little bit oily. Then to rehydrate the skin before foundation, I'm using the New Skin Hydrating Mist. Then for the base, I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. So this is SPF 50, so great for nice sunny days and gives nice coverage for something so lightweight and natural looking. So I'm just buffing that in with an Olivia Hale buffing brush, and of course it's essential to have a little sing along whilst doing my makeup. Then for concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, so I'm using the shade Vanilla under the eyes and around the centre of the face to highlight. Then I'm using the shade Custard on any blemishes or redness, so this one matches my actual skin tone. Then I'm blending that into the foundation with the same brush. To contour and bronze, I'm using the Urban Decay Deep Neutral Concealer. I just find using this gives so much dimension to the face and also gives a nice bronze look to the skin. Then to really blend that in well and to make the foundation look super smooth and airbrushed, I'm using the Natalie Grace Cosmetics Blender Sponge. So this is very similar in texture to a beauty blender, and it just gives such a flawless, beautiful finish. Then to mattify the skin and make the makeup last all day, I'm using the RCMA No Colour Powder. So this is such a great matte powder and really does help to keep the makeup on much longer. And for powder bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Saddle Bronzer. So this is just going to help set the contour that we applied before and just fix any tones on the neck and the chest. So this is a very warm bronzer, and again it just brings together all the tones I find. Then for blush, I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk. So this is a lovely cream blush, and because it is that cream texture, it's going to give a nice glow to the skin and give almost a slight wet look. Again, for this you don't really need to use highlighter, but I'm definitely going to top it up with one anyway. So I'm using the iconic original highlighting drops. So again, because these are cream, it's just going to give that beautiful natural glow, and it's actually going to look like a real glow, not just powder highlighter. So when you're applying this over foundation, don't swipe side to side, always just pat gently on top, because you don't want to disturb the foundation, bronzer and cream blush underneath. So for brows, I'm using the Douglas Brow Definer in Blonde. So this is very similar to something like the Benefit Gimme Brow, but I actually get this when I go to Germany, so you can't get it in the UK as far as I know, but any other brow gel will do. So this is just going to give me fluffier brows and help to give the illusion of more brow hairs. Then I'm using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Taupe to fill in any gaps in the brows and also thicken them up slightly. So I'm just applying small strokes of this upwards just to give a very soft edge to the brow. I don't want anything too harsh at all. Then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Beauty Bay Me, Myself and Mitchell palette, and I'm taking the lilac shade Miles High. So I'm just applying this all over the lid with a flat but fluffy shader brush. So the aim here is to get as much depth of colour as possible. So the best way to do that is to initially press the eyeshadow on before you blend it. So don't apply it kind of side to side or with a fluffy brush. just apply it direct to the eye and almost push it onto the skin to really get that pigment to stick. So here to blend out that lilac, I'm using the matte soft pink shade from the palette. So when you're blending out bright colours or using light and dark colours, make sure you don't sweep the brush side to side too much because you're just going to lose that first colour. So instead, if you go in small circles like I'm doing here, it allows you to blend but still have both colours visible. So now I'm applying that lilac shade under the eyes using a small pencil brush. So this just allows me to get closer into the lash line, and then I'm using a tiny bit of the pink shade also to blend it out. So for mascara, I'm using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash, so this is not going to smudge or transfer. Then to volumise the top lashes, I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and just applying a thin coat of that. So for lip liner, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Gossip Liner. Then for lipstick, I'm using the Natalie Grace Cosmetics Ever After lipstick, so it's a lovely peachy colour and it has a nice glossy finish. Then finally, I'm using the Fenty Fussy Lip Gloss. So to give a natural edge to the makeup, I'm using the FRECK Faux Freckle Pen, so I'm just applying this on the skin and then blend it in with my finger. So you want to create freckles of different sizes, and also in some areas you may want to go over the freckles a few times, and then in other areas just leave them natural just with one layer. For our finishing touch, I'm applying the Illamasqua OMG highlighter on the top of the cheekbones now that the cream highlighter has had time to dry, and then also applying it in the inner corner to add a little bit of pop of light to the eyes. So this is also a nice contrast against a matte eyeshadow we've created. Then finally, to set everything, I'm using the NYX matte setting spray.
So that's the finished look, guys. As you can see, it's nice and simple for you to do. It's only using 2 colours in the eyes and it's matte shades, so it's a little bit different from my usual shimmer that I love so much. And I've incorporated a little bit of a fluffy brow. I find this fluffy brow style super flattering and obviously very popular at the moment. I do this type of brow a lot for my clients. So it's a nice glam but wearable look. Again, you know that's kind of my style. So if you do try this look out, definitely let me know in the comments below. So I've also uploaded photos of this look to Instagram. So if you don't follow me there, it's Danielle Dickson MUA. I'll leave it on the screen. Or if you post your look on Instagram, definitely tag me. And like I said, if there's anything else you want me to film, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my future videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi everyone! Oh my god, this is so hard. Hi everyone! So I've been busy, so it's been a few weeks since I had to go back to work. I was able to start. So don't. Ciao. So as you can imagine, I was fixed. So I this, which is lovely. So yeah. I've just been focusing on, and also after the virus, no. So Alexa, play The Weekend. Alexa, play The Weekend.